In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the frustrating issue where you can't extend your C drive, even when unallocated space is clearly available on the same disk. As you can see here, my C drive is 197 gigabytes, and right next to it, there's 245 gigabytes of unallocated space. But when I right-click on the C drive in Disk Management, the Extend Volume option is completely grayed out. So why does this happen? The reason is usually a small recovery partition sitting between your C drive and the unallocated space. Windows can only extend a partition if the free space is directly adjacent to it. Since this recovery partition is blocking the way, Windows simply won't allow the extension. But don't worry, we can fix this easily, safely, and without losing any data. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple method to move the recovery partition out of the way and extend your C drive without breaking Windows or losing a single file. To do this, we'll be using a free tool called MiniTool Partition Wizard. This software allows us to safely move and resize partitions with just a few clicks. Open your browser and go to the official MiniTool website. On the homepage, click the Download Partition Wizard button and select the free edition. Once the download is complete, open the setup file. Leave the language set to English and click OK. When the installation wizard appears, choose to continue with the free edition. If it offers to install any additional tools, simply uncheck those options, then proceed with the installation as normal. Leave all settings as default, click Next, and wait for the installation to complete. Once it's done, click Finish to launch the program. MiniTool Partition Wizard will now open and display all your disks and partitions, similar to what you see in Disk Management. Take a look at your disk layout. You'll notice a small recovery partition, usually around 500 megabytes to 1000 megabytes, sitting between your C drive and the unallocated space. That's exactly what's causing the problem. Right-click on the recovery partition and select Move/Resize. Now, drag it all the way to the right side of the disk so that the unallocated space ends up directly next to your C drive. Click OK to confirm. As you can see, the recovery partition has been successfully moved to the far right, and the unallocated space is now sitting right beside the C drive. Now it's time to extend the C drive. Right-click on the C drive and select Extend. Drag the slider all the way to the right to use all of the available unallocated space, then click OK. You'll see that the unallocated space has now been merged with the C drive in the layout preview. Finally, click the Apply button to save and execute all the changes. MiniTool will now begin processing. It may prompt you to restart your system. Go ahead and restart to let the changes take effect. After the restart, open Disk Management again. As you can see, my C drive has been successfully extended and is now showing the full 442 gigabyte capacity. And that's it. A simple, safe, and completely free way to extend your C drive by moving the recovery partition out of the way. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.